Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I am on today to share some information about a crafting event that I've decided to join. So this event is called the Diamond Painting Event, and it is hosted by Lynn from Diamond Grandma 1048 on YouTube and co-hosted by Diana from Diana Loves Color on YouTube. What this is a crafting event, and I thought originally it was just for diamond painting, so I did get myself a little diamond painting kit here. But I have since learned that it is a crafting event and you can do pretty much any type of craft you want to as long as it's in a fantasy theme. And the ladies who are hosting are very, very lenient about what you want to consider fantasy, because you could do something that's mystical or monsters or gnomes or I don't know, outer space, all kinds of different things. I can't even begin to describe it all. So I am going to put links in the description box below to both the videos from Diamond Grandma 1048 as well as Diana Loves Colors. So if you're interested in getting into this event, you can go to those videos, check them out, and find out the full description and rules for the event. But anyway, there will be prizes. The event runs from April 1st, which obviously we've passed, and concludes on April 30th. So you have all month long to create your project. I understand that it doesn't have to be a project that you start at the beginning of the event. It can be something that you've already started as long as it's not almost all the way finished already. And you don't have to complete your project by the end of the month. You just have to work on it as best you can. And if you complete it, that's absolutely awesome. If not, that's okay too, but you have to make an effort. So anyway, Diamond Grandma and Diana will both be having prizes. If you are domestic, they will be prize packages. And if you're international, they will be gift cards. And oh yes, Diamond Grandma also has a YouTube channel that you can share your projects on and actually connect with other crafters. The hashtag for this event is the hashtag FantasyLife24. You can post your projects either on YouTube and using that hashtag and on the Facebook group, which I will put that information in the description box below. And let's see, also on Diana's channel, she does have a video that you need to put a notation that you're participating so she knows to be watching for you. So anyway, this is the diamond painting that I picked up. I did get this at Temu. It came with all of the drills that I'll need. It came with the drill pen as well as the little tray and the wax that I'll need. I have never done one of these before, so it's going to be interesting. I tried to pick something that was small and easy. This is just a 6x6. I thought that would be a good beginner project. And I always like to try new things. And if you follow my channel at all, you know that I have crafty days with my sister about once a month. And a lot of times she introduces me to something new that I haven't done before. And this month we actually worked with pigment powders and different types of paste, like lunar paste. Now I have solar paste, never used the lunar paste. They're basically the same thing, only one you would use on light color papers, the other you'd use on dark color papers. But anyway, be that as it may, basically I'm trying something new. So this event is so that people can connect with other crafters, see what they're doing, basically just get to know one another, and it sounds like it's going to be fun. So this is my project. Keep your eyes peeled for my progress or my completed project. We'll see. I don't know how long it's going to take me, and I do have other things going on right now, so yeah, that's another reason I went with something small. So that's what I've got for you today. If you're interested in the event, like I said, I will have links to the description videos in my description box, as well as a link to Lynn's Diamond Grandma Facebook page if you'd like to participate that way. You should post on one or the other or both so that the ladies know that you're there and that you're working on your projects. And that's all I know about it. If you need more information, check with one of those two ladies and I'm sure they will steer you in the right direction. So that's it. That's what I've got for you today. I hope you find some inspiration and maybe try something out new for yourself. And I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.